Hi guys, in front of me is XIAOMI Lite, and let me show you how to locate serial number on this device. So at first open your phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *pound or £6. And as you can see here, we've got device info, so you can smoothly read your serial number. Tap on OK then. And now you can also find this number via settings. So at first open the settings, go to about phone, and now click on detailed info and specification. Scroll a bit lower and tap on model. Okay, actually in status and then here on model. And this is it, here is your serial number. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.